Hi guys, so today's video is all about how I straighten my hair. You can see I have very crazy thick coarse hair, but I do have a solution to that. A hair straightener, obviously. I'm gonna start priming my hair by applying this biolage glotion. It's one of my top faves, and I will also spray my hair with Eva NYC hairspray, which you'll see later in the video. So this biolage glotion really helps untangle my hair. It smells really good, and then I'm just using this wide brush and some clips. Since I have very thick hair, I have to make a lot of sections, especially from my crown area. I have to separate out half of my hair and then I make 4 more sections. As you can see, I have already made a lot of sections in the back of my hair, and now I'm going to spray my hair with the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. The point is always use some kind of a thermal protection spray before you curl or straighten your hair or use any heat tools, because it's very important. I never forget this step. Here I'm using a teasing comb by Conair. For the smaller sections of my hair, I always use a teasing comb or a smaller comb, and for the wider section I use a wider brush. Ideally you want to take smaller sections of your hair and then straighten them, but that's what happens when you go to a salon. They would just take small, very tiny sections, and then this would just give you a very smooth effect too. But I do not have that kind of a patience, because I really have a lot of hair and I just take generous amount. Also, I want to mention one more thing: never ever use your hands in place of comb or a brush, because pulling your hair down with a brush or a comb gives you a very smooth effect than using your hands. I hope you get my point. You must be thinking, why is she not going in order and why is she taking random strands? I'm not. I'm actually going in order, but if I cannot show you the whole video length, I was just noticing it was 38 minutes and 48 seconds, and that is a long time for you to sit down in front of your phone or computer and watch the whole thing. If you're not used to using the brush, please get used to it, because your hands also release sweats and oils that also deposit into your hair, making it greasy and all that. So you just want to use your brush or comb while you're straightening your hair. I'm just repeating this point over and over again, but it's important. And I'm obviously tired, as you can see. How about I just chop off the other half? Totally joking, you guys, never ever try that at home. I'm blessed with the best hair and I'm very grateful to my Allah for that, and I wish you all have thick and long hair just like me, better than me. Here, now I'm just trying to straighten the end parts of my hair, not so much my roots, because that will give me a lot of my volume. So the front sections, always be very careful. I know by this time you're usually tired, but try to make it a lot more smoother than the back sections, because this is the part that's gonna be more visible. It's the top part. It's gonna be spreaded all over your hair. Let me just briefly tell you what I have done so far. If I'm taking a smaller section, just like here, I would pull my hair down with a comb, smooth it out with a straightener, pull it down, smooth it out until I see there is no more frizz. Phew, that was a good workout for my biceps, huh? Anyways, now as you can see, my hair were like all tied in the back, but there is no wave, because I have used a very good thermal protecting spray and a very good serum before that. So what it does, it not only protects your hair from heat tools, but it also keeps the strands separate, which is awesome, right? As you can see, my hair is not broom hair anymore. They're all nice and straight and smooth. Yay! This flaunting your hair is not a necessary step, but you can do it if you want. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.